So you are the power of attorney for mom or dad or Uncle Charlie, and you've got a healthcare power of attorney, you've got a financial power of attorney. Do you have everything all set? Maybe not. What some people are discovering is that there is a pretty large organization that does not recognize traditional powers of attorney. It's called Social Security Administration. Yeah, it's true. Social Security will not recognize a power of attorney, whether that's a healthcare power of attorney or financial power of attorney. So, to ensure that you have someone who that you can choose to help you manage Social Security benefits, you have to fill out a form. They've got their own paperwork. You have to fill out a form called an advance designation of a representative payee. And that's what you, as power of attorney, that's what you are going to be, the representative payee. We found a recent article in Forbes written by Bob Carlson. We'll link to that in the show notes. So, this representative payee business was created just a few years ago in 2018, and you can name up to three people as your representative payee. Be very careful when you do this. You can't name three people like a troika, like a three-headed monster. Don't do that. So you should have one person, and in the event that the first person is not available, not alive, not with it, whatever, then the second person becomes the new representative payee, and then you can also name a third person. I think this is a good idea and something that you may want to look into. And the way to do this is you can go to your local office. You can go online using the My Social Security account found on the web. What you're looking for is a form called SSA for Social Security Administration, SSA 4547. At the very least, you can print it out, fill it out, and put it in the mail. So that you have something like this on record so someone can speak to Social Security on your behalf. Suppose Uncle Charlie is starting to lose it. We're starting to see signs of dementia. Uncle Charlie may want to have someone who's set up as a representative payee to talk to Social Security on his behalf. A representative payee is usually individuals, but you can also name different agencies. You can also name a nursing home to be a representative payee as well. The designated person, this representative payee, has to file an annual report each year with the Social Security Administration. So you have to show where the money is being spent for this person's benefit. So keep your receipts and keep records. It's very important that you file this report on an annual basis. I think it's important to know that becoming the designated person, the representative payee, doesn't give you any kind of legal authority. I mean, we're still going to default to who has power of attorney, but at least this is someone that can get on the phone and speak with someone about someone else's benefits with the Social Security Administration. I think that's really important. And in case you're wondering, there's also a form that you can fill out and send in to speak on someone else's behalf with Medicare and Medicaid. The title of the form that you're looking for, you can just type this into Google or you can go to the website. It's called Authorization to Disclose Personal Health Information. If you go to the Medicare and Medicaid government website, that is cms.gov, what you're looking for is that form, Authorization to Disclose Personal Health Information. The form that number is CMS dot or CMS dash 10106. You fill it out and then you send it away to a P.O. box in Lawrence, Kansas. Who knows how long that's going to take? But it is something that, believe it or not, Medicare and Medicaid aren't going to abide by your healthcare power of attorney or even a HIPAA notice even though this authorization to disclose personal health information sounds exactly like a HIPAA release form. Everyone's got their own form. Welcome to 2025. So it's good information to know and something that you may want to take a look at.